Bitrue Crypto Exchange Review, my usage experience. Bitrue is a cryptocurrency exchange designed for traders seeking advanced features and diverse investment opportunities. In this review, I'll share my hands-on experience using Bitrue, covering its standout features, ease of use, and who it's best suited for. First, Bitrue's interface strikes a balance between functionality and accessibility. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, the platform offers a seamless trading experience with clearly marked sections for spot trading, futures, and staking. One of Bitrue's highlights is its Power Piggy feature, which allows users to earn passive income by staking various cryptocurrencies, including popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. It's a great option if you want to make your idle assets work for you. For traders, Bitrue supports an impressive range of cryptocurrencies, over 700 trading pairs, and competitive fees. Their BTR token, the platform's native currency, offers discounts on trading fees and additional staking rewards, making it a solid choice for frequent users. Security is a priority for Bitrue, with measures such as multi-signature wallets, two-factor authentication, and asset insurance to protect users' funds. In my experience, withdrawals and deposits were quick and hassle-free, with transparent fee structures. One of the unique aspects of Bitrue is its focus on small and mid-cap altcoins, making it a go-to platform for traders looking to diversify into lesser-known but promising assets. The futures trading section offers high leverage options for those who want to amplify their positions, though I recommend caution if you're new to leverage trading. Customer support is available through live chat and email. While response times were reasonable, they could improve the depth of their FAQ section for more self-service solutions. Bitrue's mobile app is another strong point. It mirrors the desktop experience with intuitive navigation, enabling you to trade or stake on the go. However, the app does occasionally lag during high-traffic periods, which can be frustrating during volatile market moments. Overall, Bitrue is ideal for crypto enthusiasts and intermediate to advanced traders looking for diverse investment options and passive income opportunities. It's not without its flaws, like minor UI glitches and limited fiat to crypto options, but its unique features outweigh the drawbacks. If you're someone who values competitive fees, a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and reliable staking options, Bitrue is definitely worth considering. That wraps up my review of Bitrue. If you've used the platform, let me know your experience in the comments below. And if you're new to it, start small, explore its features, and decide if it meets your trading or investment needs.